Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there was a lot of backlash happening as Microsoft actually started talking about Windows, especially the Microsoft Windows chief, Pavan Devaluri, and he started talking about how Windows is going to be evolving into a Agentic OS. AKA, what that means is that there's going to be more and more AI or artificial intelligence everywhere within Windows. And he continued hinting that AI-powered experience that would boost productivity and make Windows the best ever in the world. And he started having a deluge, an enormous amount of messages from people that were just not happy. A lot of people, majority of comments, we don't need that AI. We don't need AI crap in Windows. We don't need anything of that. And that was one part. But there was another part that also was in there. And he finally had to kind of respond to the customer feedback. And he started to say that with all the comments, he's aware, and the Windows team is aware that there's a lot to fix with the Windows 11 operating system, that there are a lot of inconsistencies that need to be dealt with, and all of that. And of course, what did that mean? That meant that, he's had a hard time with all the comments and everybody saying, look, no, this is not the way it should be and not the way it is. So, what's going to get out of this? I hope the backlash, and I hope the immense number of negative comments and of people not happy of what's happening right now might change a little bit the direction of the Windows operating system as we get into the future. But I'm not sure he was ready and actually prepared to have all of that negativity suddenly fall on the Windows team. After his own personal comment about, hey, we're going to put more AI in Windows 11. So we'll see if that has any changes. He did say that he is aware, that the Windows team is aware of all the things that need to be fixed. Well, if they are, why is it now that at 5 years of Windows 11, we're still stuck with, a lot of crap that shouldn't be. We're at 4 years, 5 years. I don't even remember anymore what year the Windows 11 actually was. 2021, I think. This is 4 years. So, anyways, this is a consequence of a simple blog post. We'll see what that could do, or maybe change in the future of Windows. But one thing for sure, they are, really minded with AI everywhere, and I don't know when or if that will ever change. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.